Okay, I'm going to show you how to adjust a band that is too small. So we are going to be adding some extra length to the wing. And basically what you're going to do is just anywhere along here, you're going to draw a line. And then we're going to cut along this line. And then we're going to take some extra paper and we're going to draw in however much length you want to add. So say you want to add 2.5 centimeters or 1 inch. You're going to draw a parallel line. Just like that. And then we're just going to spread apart these two pieces of the wing. And we're going to tape that down. Just like that. Now from here, you're going to want to true up the seam. So you're going to take your French curve or your hip curve and go from point to point. Just like that. You're going to do the same thing along the bottom. And then we're going to cut off this extra paper. Remember, you're going to go from point to point. And now you've got your band that has been lengthened, and it should be a little more comfortable for you.